I suppose we may see some rounding to a specific place value because this example is showing in nearest hundred. I thought it was only front-end rounding on the homework. I apologize. Looks like I was incorrect. So let's get to work on these ones. Let's start with 4,057. Okay, that's our first number here. Let's go ahead and round that one to the nearest hundred, right? So I look at the 0, that's in the hundredths place value. I go immediately to the right place value, which is the tens place value, rather. Since it's a 5 or more, we would add 1 to that hundredths place value, which would then give us 4,100, right? Because these two place values to the right are just going to become zeros. All right, so that's 4,057. Next up, we got 4,694. And still rounding to the nearest hundred, though, so that's the 6 in the hundredths place value. I look immediately to the right in the tens place value, and I get a 9. 9 is 5 or more, which means the 6 is going to round up one number there. All right, so I add 1 to it. 6 plus 1 is 7. Of course, the thousands place value was not affected by that. And then the other two place values to the right are just going to drop as zeros. Okay, and again, that's the point of rounding, is we're trying to figure out what hundred value is this number closest to, and clearly from this it's 4,700. Then finally, we got 6,029 here. And I look to the hundredths place value, the 0, immediately to its right in the tens place value is a 2, which means the 0 is just going to stay a 0 here. And then everything to the right is going to become zeros, while anything to the left will stay the same. It just drops as is. So this is what we get with the addition right now. 4,100 plus 4,700 plus 6,000. And however you prefer to do it, whether you're stacking it by one or all three together or two at a time, is up to you. I'm going to stack these all together. So 4,100, 4,700, and then 6,000. Let's go and add these together. So starting in the ones place value, I got 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is 0. That's an easy one. And then in the tens place value, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is still 0. And then in the hundredths place value, 1 plus 7 is 8, plus that other 0, still 8. And then the thousands place value, 4 plus 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 8. And then another 6 from 8, with 8 rather. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get 14. So I'll just write that out as 14 again, because there's no other values in the 10,000s place value. So I end up with 14,800.